Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible 2SS in ice silver metallic on black and red interior. So we'll just start over at the trunk area here. I'll let you have a look. This is the trunk on the Camaro, so it is a little bit more narrow, as you can see. However, there is a partition, so this just comes down and it gives you all that extra space there through where the top is stored. So I'll just put this back up, clip in here. Perfect. Awesome. So that's in, and I'll go ahead and we'll close the trunk. We'll have a look from the back. So we've got the nice deck lid spoiler. We've got the black badge with the chrome surround. We've got the nice LED tail lights. We've got the SS badging here on the bumper, and we've got proximity sensors there on the bumper as well. So as you reverse, it will sense objects behind you. We've got the NPP performance exhaust. So you've got 2 ports there and 2 ports on this side. So they can change electronically the tone of the exhaust, so you can make it louder or quieter based on your preference. So I'll just shift around here. Here's your rear wheel. So we've got nice gloss black wheels. Actually, they're matte black, I'll call them. So matte black wheels, Brembo calipers, and nice Goodyear tires there on that. So over at the passenger side, we've got the nice leather armrest up on the upper as well as on the lower. The lower portion's done in the nice adrenaline red. The upper has the nice red baseball stitching on it. We've got illumination built into the vehicle, so you can see it's green right now. You can change the coloring if you like. We've got power windows, power locks, and we also have a BOSE stereo. I'll also take the opportunity to share with you, it does have blind spot monitor there. So when a car's in your blind spot, that will light up. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side, so it's in pretty good shape as you can see. And here's our power seat control, power 4 aft, up, down, and power recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Again, it's got nice red baseball stitching, perforated leather, and the nice SS badging there as well. So I'll go ahead and we'll pull this forward, have a look at the back seat. Back seat's in really good shape as you can see. Looks good. And in the center there is a wireless charger for supported devices. So I'll flip this forward. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. We'll have a look in the glove box. So we do have the books. We've got the wheel lock key on the dash. We've got the jet style vents. We've got the nice leather on the dash with the red baseball stitching. Have a look at the rest of the dash while I'm here. Looks good. And we'll hop out. We'll close this side up. And I'll just start at the back corner here and we'll scan along this car just so you can see the condition. Looks good. So here's your front wheel. So again, nice matte black wheels, Brembo brakes with the Camaro logo on them, and nice Goodyear tires. And at the front here, you've got your 50 years of Camaro or badging there as well. So just move around the front. Here's the engine. So you've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's nice and tidy, looks clean. And again, we've got a strut tower brace going across the top as well. Added handling performance, so that's great. So I'll go ahead, we'll close the hood. On the hood, we've got the nice gloss black vent inserts. Looks good. And along the front, we've got the nice projector style HUD headlights with LED daytime running lights. On the lower, we do have a chin spoiler, so I'll just run along that so you can see the condition. Looks like it's in really good shape. And we've got the nice grille there, black grille with the SS badging, and the black bow tie with the chrome surround. In terms of issues, I'll just take a close look here, see if I can find anything. No, that just rubs off. And here's one here. So there's one little stone chip down here, which we'll touch up. And I think there's another one right there. So we'll go ahead, we'll touch those up. They're probably the size of a pinhead, but I just want to share them with you. So we'll move around. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice matte black wheels, Brembo brakes, Goodyear tires, and same thing back here. Awesome. So over at the driver's side, we've got our power locks. We've got our 2-user memory with programmable exit button. We've got our power mirrors, our power windows, our electronic trunk release, and our BOSE stereo. And again, nice red leather accents and red baseball stitching. Over at the driver's side, here's your kick plate. It's in really good shape, as you can see, and it is illuminated. Here's your power seat, power 4 aft, up, down, and power recline, and I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean, and we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. So I'll just get out of this menu here. We'll go to information, info, select. So there we are at the home screen. We've got 10,536 kilometers, nice and low. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. Over on the steering wheel, we've got a heated steering wheel. We've got cruise control buttons here. Down below, we've got favorites or track change. We've got a nice red baseball stitch with the 50 logo here. Nice, I like the perforated leather here, it feels nice. And then on this side, you got your arrow keys. So the arrow keys work the dash. That gives you info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. Above that is telephone controls. So that's hang up. This is answer or voice command. And then we've got paddle shifters up top, plus and minus. And then over on this side, you got your heads up display controls. So if I turn off the lights, there's your heads up display, and I can change the information there that's displayed. And you can also move the position and change the brightness. There's the dimmer switch for the dash, and on the stock here is our headlight control, which are automatic. On that side, there's your wiper controls, and then you've got your push button start, and then our stereo. And again, it's got the lighting up above. So if I go in lighting, like strip color, so I could go, I don't know, we could make it red. So there it is, it changes to red there as well as over there, or you could make it white, whatever you like. So that's there. Audio, you got AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB, and auxiliary in. Telephone controls, projection is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Nav, so we've got full factory nav. If I put it in reverse here, there's your backup camera. And down below is our heating control. So we got heated and cooled seat for the driver. This is the driver's temperature. So as I turn the temperature setting here, you can see it changing. And then we've got some different settings here: fan control, power, sync. Sync will sync the two zones together. And then you've got automatic. And again, they've got heated and cooled seat on this side as well. So here's your 8-speed automatic shifter with leather wrapped boot and baseball stitching. We've got traction control on and off, and our mode selector. When we hit the mode selector, we get touring, snow, ice, track, sport, or back to touring. Below that is your electronic parking brake, and then we've got our 12-volt socket. Here's a key, so lock, unlock, remote start, remote top put down, and trunk release and panic button. So in here, there's your two USB ports in the end and your 12-volt socket. And since it's a convertible, we'll go ahead and we'll put the top up so you can see the operation. Perfect, and then it just notes on the screen that that's complete. To put the windows up, so I've got, this is the front, so I pull and those two go up, and then I press this button and the same two operate the rear. So now the windows are up, and also share, there's your frameless auto dimming rear view mirror with OnStar, and you have an auto dimming driver's side mirror as well. So we'll hop out with it running, we'll have a look and a listen. Great sound to it. So that's the exhaust in track mode. So it does get quieter if you would like it quieter. However, I like the louder setting, so it is set louder. And we'll just scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. And I'll just show you the top since it's a convertible. So the top's in good shape, no rips, no tears. Looks good. All right, and we'll move around the back with it running so you can see the tail lights. They look really cool. Nice rumble, nice wide stance to it. Nice car. All right, so there you have it, folks. 2017 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible 2SS in ice silver metallic, here and available at monroemotors.com. come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.